Jai Gurudev. Today we are going to discuss one of the theorem in a triangle. If one side is extended, then an exterior angle is formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Here ABC is triangle and this BC is extended to D. One of the side is extended to D. Alright. And so form this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two angles. This angle ACD is equal to angle BAC and plus angle ABC is two. This right angle, this angle in green is equal to this angle, exterior angle. Alright, here it is given. These some we have drawn already this figure. Now some of the values are here in the figure. Angle BAC is equal to alpha is equal to 65 degree. Angle ABC is represented by beta in the figure, and it is 49 degree, and angle ACD is equal to 115 degree. Well, 49 plus 65, 65. Sometimes it is difference due to point. When it is coming point, then we find little bit difference. At this stage, if you late this 9 plus 5, 14 ka 4, 1 carries 7, 6 plus 1 7, and 4 11. We can see these values are okay. Now again in this software provide us that we can drag point A, B, R, C and D. These 4 points we can drag and form a new triangle and see the angle relationship of the angle. Again see, you can make a table. You can write in first column serial number, second column value of alpha, third column value of beta, and fourth column value of theta, that is angle ACD. And you can mark the angle ACD, BAC, CAD, and then in remark column you check whether you are getting the angle or not. So first position we have given, you shown you earlier, this was the first initial position. So take one reading. Another position we are bringing it here. Now you see this note down these values, 40 degree, 56 degree, and get their sum. It is equal to 96 degree. So in remark column, yes, we are getting the sum of two angle, interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. That third reading you can do here or here, placing this, or you may change the position of now. We will make the change the position of point B. Now we can see here this is 41 degree, 75 degree. Adding these two, certainly little bit difference. Now you can note down the values. Again 73, 41, the sum is 114. Now I am changing point C. At this stage, you see here This angle is 41 degree, 49 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. The sum of 49 and 40 is because sometimes we are not getting correct value. I will tell you why. Because we have done rounding up to 1. If you will take rounding up to 2, then it will affect very less, very less chances is, but you have to adding these will take more problem. So we are just taking rounding up to, you can take one place of decimal, and even then you will can get this sum of these two value is equal to this. Sum of alpha plus beta is equal to theta. Our angle, sum of angle BAC, ACB is equal to angle ACD. Now, next, our next observation, we can drag this point here, D here. Now, you can note down this value and check this angle BAC. BAC is this, and ABC is this green one, and this magenta sum of these two, and here it is denoted by this angle. Now let us, why we are getting always these values same. The sum of interior to angle is equal to exterior angle. Now we know the sum of three angle is 180 degree, and this is a straight line, and one segment is standing on this line. So these form linear pair. The sum of linear pair is also 180 degree, and sum of the three angle is also 180 degree. So let us check what will the value of this. Is showing angle now too. Okay, so value. We are getting, you can check, the sum of these two is equal to 180 degree, and this plus this is equal to also 180 degree. So this angle is common both the side. If you write in on paper, sum of this plus this is equal to 180 degree, sum of this plus this is equal to 180 degree. So 180 is equal to 180, so we will make alpha plus beta plus this angle is equal to 180, and this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. This will get cancelled, and we can see that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. So in this software, it is very easy to make number of figure, infinite number of figures, and get the value automatic calculated. If we draw so many triangles in our notebook, it will take lot of time and a lot of energy, and then measuring them, and then we have to check, verify this fact. So it will, this software will save your time and energy. This video will be helpful to you, I hope. So please like, share and comment on this thing, this video. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharishi.